What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to use Google Maps Street View on Google Maps. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first of all, I'm going to show it on desktop. So this is how we're going to do it on desktop. Just go to the Google Map website and just choose a location where you want to explore the Google Maps Street View. And right here on the bottom part, you will see this icon right here on the bottom, the yellow something figure right here. Just click that, then what you can see that the roads is turned into blue. That means that the blue roads means that it is the place that you can view in street version. So that's it. So now I'm just going to zoom in and choose whatever roads I want to explore. So for example, I'm going to choose this. Then it will redirect me to this one. I can now see the street view of this location. So if I want to advance or walk, I just left click, and after that I can just left click, and I can hold down the mouse button and I can just drag it to rotate the camera. And also the part of this page, there will be an option to zoom in and zoom out the camera. Also, as you can see on the top, there will be a little compass right there. That's it. That's how you do it on desktop. Now I'm going to show you how to do this on cell phone. So just on your cell phone, just go your Google Maps or Maps and choose a location just like on desktop you want to explore. And after choosing a location, there will be an icon right here on the right side like a platform. Just click that. And right there you can select a street view. Make sure that it is being highlighted as blue color. And after that, you can now just zoom in, and as you can see, the roads is turned into blue color. So now you can just choose an area, and after you press that, yes, as you can see, the street view will be activated. You can just zoom in, and actually, there will be an arrow right here to descend and ascend. You can also zoom in or zoom out, just like how you zoom in and zoom out normal pictures in your cell phone. And you can just hold your screen and drag to move your camera. And that's it. That's how you do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.